In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on this Sam4S electronic cash register. The model number on this particular model is an ER180U, but it should be very similar for other Sam4S. Problem with the register, it was showing an E00 error message. At the end of the video, there will be a list of all the different error messages and explanations so you can kind of avoid them in the future. Just a word of warning, this will clear all sales and program data from the register. So you may want to try a error reset, a soft reset first before doing this. If that doesn't work, then this is what you will do. So first, unplug the power cable and then press and hold down the charge button like you see on the screen. And then while still holding the charge button, plug the power cable back into the register. So next you're going to be pressing 4 keys in the following order: feed, tax, calc and cash tend, and these are the keys on the outermost corners. So let's go right ahead and do that. After doing that, what you should see is what you see on the screen here, where 2 little dots will appear from the left and then gradually work their way over to the right, clearing everything and putting everything back to factory settings. Once that's completed, you should get a little receipt to say that all the RAM has been cleared. Next, we need to go to the mode key, which is the button in the top right hand corner, until we see the register closed prompt, which is R closed. And then lastly, at that prompt, we just need to press the number 1 button and then press the Clark button. And that should be done now. That should be enough to clear any error messages that you had and to have your register operational again. So let's give it a quick test. Let's just bob something through for 55 pence and just test that it's working okay. So hopefully your register is working perfectly now. You may have lost some data, but at least it's working and you can get on with serving customers or doing whatever you're doing. As promised, the next few slides are the error codes for the till. I'm not going to go into detail as to what each one means because it has its own little explanation next to it, so yeah, you can go through that in your own time and you can pause the slides and have a good read through. It's good to know what you can do wrong and what is causing the errors so that you can go back in and just ensure that it doesn't happen again.